वेलकम इन आर के शॉर्ट हैंड। और आज इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे पिटमन शॉर्ट हैंड एक्सरसाइज नंबर 21। इस एक्सरसाइज का नॉर्मल स्पीड डिक्टेशन। तो चलिए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। आई मे बी विथ यू ऑन मंडे द 4th of May. If you will be ready when I come, I shall be happy to take the ride with you to the show. I think you will enjoy the ride and you may take a fair share of the game. How do you like the new book? I think you were right to come away when you were feeling weary. I have had a talk with Webb and Duck, who were both at the party on Monday. I saw Booth today and he will be with us at the show. If you should know anybody who can share the work of the opera with us, I shall be happy to know. I have a new camera which I should like to show you when I see you. I shall be happy to see you tomorrow if you can come. यहाँ पर हमारा डिक्टेशन हो चुका है कंप्लीट।